Hey, let's chat about something that's revolutionising fleet management, our FleetCAM. It doesn't matter if you've got a couple of vans or a whole convoy of trucks, we've got you covered. Quality's king with FleetCAM. We're talking HD video that keeps things clear as day, even at night or when it's buckling down. It's about keeping an eagle eye on the road. Real-time monitoring, we're all over it. With FleetCAM, it's like you're riding shotgun. Multiple cameras, up to 5. That's 360 degrees of coverage. And the tech's sharp too, spotting everything from a swerve to a sudden stop, as well as optional in-cabin monitoring. Installation is a breeze. Our experts span the country, ready to get your fleet set up and with quick turnaround. Now let's talk dollars and cents. FleetCAM's affordable. We're big believers in top-tier tech that doesn't cost the earth. So if you're in the market for a fleet camera system that nails them across the board, clarity, connection, simplicity and price, check out FleetCAM.